friends, welcome back again. Today we are going to make donut with Play-doh. Sam, are you excited to make donuts?
Yeah.
Alright, so which color are you using?
I made the taco.
Which color are you using? Yellow or orange?
Yellow.
Alright, so I take the orange and then let's make our dough. The
I have
donut.
to take the whole thing.
Yeah, so mold it. Mold it. Is it round enough?
Yes, round enough.
Mold it more.
And more. And
Once
more.
you get it, then you turn it like this.
I don't have to eat the whole thing.
Each time we go to the shop, we always look for donuts.
I'm gonna
Let me see your donut. Bring it, put it at the center here. Awesome. Then turn it well.
Good.
Yeah, turn it well. It's fine. And here, you press it down here and turn it. Is it fine?
Oh, no, not yet. Okay. Look.
Yeah. Okay, so you can keep it. Yeah, it's okay. The donut is fine.
I made purple icing.
So okay, I want to use the purple. Let me use the red
I'm gonna be quicker.
to make the icing on top. So flatten it.
And
Can you use your hand to flatten it?
I don't want to get it dirty here again.
Yeah, don't get it dirty. Just flatten it. Then you'll be cutting a piece of it like this. And then you place it on top.
Okay. I'm gonna be quick.
Yeah, be quick. Okay. To form the icing on top of your donut. So you're going to do that and go round your donut.
I'm gonna be done.
Are you done already?
No.
Okay, so keep going until you complete this whole round. Make sure you put them together and make them look good. Always take enough quantity. Take enough quantity and make it look good.
I'm almost done.
Then you take more. If that one is finished, you have enough of purple.
I'm done.
Your eyes and all okay.
Yes, all done.
Then you have to smooth the top. Don't press it hard, just smooth it a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, so let's put sprinkles.
I'm gonna get my own favorite sprinkles.
Sprinkles. You need which color?
I want red.
Yeah, red is fine. I can take yellow. Here we have some sprinkles.
Wow.
Let's put it on top.
I'm gonna roll it.
This is yellow sprinkles.
I'm just gonna.
I can also add blue.
Me too.
Yeah.
We can add different colors.
You also have green here.
Whoa! You have a lot of colors.
Yeah, you can put lots of colors.
I'll make this color. It's tiny.
Yeah. Spread them around the donuts.
Yeah.
And put them only in one location. Spread them all around.
Oh yes, I'm doing it.
Good.
I love spreading sprinkles.
Each other color. You have green there. You have green. You have yellow. Wow. Is a donut ready? Mine is looking ready.
No, it's not.
Mine is looking ready.
Mine is not.
It's okay. Just keep going.
Okay. I'm gonna keep going.
Yeah, keep going. Take different colors. Good.
Whoa.
Blue. Sama has done a donut with our Play-doh today.
Look.
Wow. Let's have our donuts. See, the donut is looking nice. Yummy.
I'm eating it.
Yummy donuts.
I'm eating the whole donut.
Yeah.
Ow.
I'm gonna show your donuts to the camera, to your friends. Summer has made a wonderful donut.
I want to get a friend to eat it.
Oh, you want your friends to eat a donut? Wow, Summer's donut is yummy.
I want my fake friend. Can I get my fake
Your
friend?
donuts to eat. Summer donut is so yummy. Wow, friends. Thank you so much for today, for joining us as we made a donut with the Play-doh. Summer, what do you say to your friends today?
Bye-bye.
And thank you. Subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye.
Join us in our next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.